let's get started on section 10.5, which talks about independent events. And your main essential question here is I can find the probability of two or more independent events happening. So here, let's first start with some definitions that we have here. The first definition is if two events are independent, okay, we're talking about independent events, if they are, okay, so no, they are if the occurrence of one event has no effect on the likelihood or the occurrence of the other event. So an example of that would be tossing a die and then flipping a coin. If you toss a die in the air, will that affect flipping a coin? No, it wouldn't affect flipping a coin. Tossing a die and flipping a coin are both independent things. One does not affect the outcome of the other. Therefore, they're independent events. Okay, now let's talk about dependent events. Now, two events are dependent if the occurrence of one event affects the likelihood of the occurrence of another event. So an example I have for you is choosing a card from a deck of playing cards. Let's say you choose a card, you take it out, and you keep it out. Then any card you choose in the deck from here on out, the chance of you choosing a certain card changes depending on that first card you chose. So if you chose an ace the first time, the chance of you choosing an ace the second time goes down significantly because you chose a card and you kept it. So that's where one likelihood of the event of choosing one card will affect the likelihood or the probability of choosing the other card.